Patrick and Jim at Pals, and Jim's proceeding with the carrier install. You can see he's got it into the housing. Now, Jim, what are these guys right here?
These are shims for the carrier.
So they put the carrier in and out.
Yeah, they'll move it back and forth.
Okay. And how do you install those shims?
Well, I need to take this out. It's already got a factory shim on both sides, but apparently they're not right because now that I got it in there, it doesn't move.
It's tight. Okay. Too tight.
Yeah, it's too tight. So I'm going to start by removing some over here and adding some on this side to move my carrier over just a little bit.
Okay.
And then if I got the proper play, then I'll check for we've got a compound that we'll put on here
To check the
it's
depth.
like a yellow paste, and then we can run it, and where it wears, it'll show me the proper. There's supposed to be a certain particular wear pattern on there.
Okay.
If the wear pattern's wrong or something, if I see, depending on how it is, I might need to take it all apart and reshim the pinion as well.
Well, I was just going to ask about that.
Yeah.
So these shims are from side to side for the axles.
Yeah.
Then you've also got shims for the pinion, which is out front. And folks, you can see here is the pinion. That's what Jim was showing you on the workbench a little while before. And sometimes that has to come out or go in deeper. Each one is different. And it has to be correct or you'll have a problem. If you've got a differential, bring it to Pals. See you soon.